How to change your work hours in Microsoft Teams. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook, click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. In here, you will find Calendar. Click on Calendar. In Calendar, you will find Show Work Week As. Simply, if you want to also work on Sunday, make sure there's tick mark in Sunday. After you have changed the work hours, scroll down and then press on Save at the bottom. After you have saved, your work hours will be changed as you've changed. And this is how to change your work hours in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.